Yes. So now we will move on to the change in quantity supplied or movement along a supply curve. Right. So what was movement along a demand curve? It was when the price of the commodity alone changes, what will happen to the quantity demanded of the commodity. That was we actually depicted in a single demand curve. Same way here we have to depict in a single supply curve. Moving on to the diagram. See, in a single supply curve, movement along a supply curve, that is extension and contraction. When price increases, quantity supplied increases, and when price decreases, quantity supplied decreases, and here when price increases, quantity supplied increases. So towards this way, see, towards this way quantity is getting increased, so this portion is extension, and towards this portion quantity is getting reduced, so this portion is contraction. Understood? So in the what was demand, just verify with demand. So here quantity is getting increased, so here it is extension and here it is contraction. So here this way is extension and this way is contraction. You have to keep it in mind the reason also why here it is extension and why here it is contraction. Then only it will be very clear for you. Quantity supplied is getting increased this way. That is why here it is extension. Quantity supplied is getting reduced this way. That is why contraction. Now we have to move on to change in supply or shift in supply curve. And now whatever we had held constant, that will change. All the factors affecting the supply will start to change. So here initial supply curve S, and the rightward shift of supply curve, that is the increase in supply is shown by rightward shift, that is S2, and decrease in supply is shown by S1, that is the leftward shift. Okay, so when in what all situations this thing will shift right and shift left? Supply curve will shift to right when there is fall in prices of input, uses of advanced technology, fall in price of other goods, lowering the taxes of production, and rise in number of firms. And what will happen, like what will cause a decrease in supply? Rise in prices of inputs, rise in prices of other goods, rise in taxes of production, and fall in the number of firms. So all these factors which affect the supply of the product will start to change here. Till this movement along a supply curve, they are held constant. But here in the change in supply or shift in supply, the whole supply curve is shifting. So that means what you can say, all other factors will start to change. So now we have to move on to the price elasticity. I hope this change in supply and shift in supply is very clear to you, and you have to take down one by other points what I discussed now in a 2 column. I will be posting the photo also for the reference. Now we have to move on to the price elasticity of supply in the next video.